keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hey, Colorado Springs, welcome to 11 Connects. I'm your host, Lauren Nicole, and I am on site at this beautiful listing today in High Forest Ranch with everyone's favorite realtor, Marquesa Hobbs. Marquesa, thanks for having me out to see this place.
Thank you for joining.
Of course.
You're going to love who I have with us today.
Perfect.
So one of the things I love offering my clients is innovative services. And I'm here with my partner, Jen Weis, who is the owner of Leading with Shui. And she's going to share a little bit about some of the ways she can help prepare a home to list and also help buyers when they're looking at homes.
Love that. Jen, thanks for being here to teach me a little bit more about Feng Shui. Tell me all the things.
Okay, so Feng Shui essentially is just how you are going to set up your home, how you're going to design it with intention. You want to make sure you're doing everything in a manner that's going to make you and your family members feel really good in the space, harmonious, and just great flow.
What kinds of things are we talking about specifically? I know we have this beautiful space around us. Maybe you can point out a few things that are creating that harmony.
Well, I would start with the front door that we have actually behind us right now. It's a double door. It opens up wide. It's like so welcoming. It says, come on in. This is home. We want you here. So that's a huge one. And then I would talk about, the round shapes within this home. It helps with good communication and softening the environment.
So if people are looking to list, they're going to have to call Marquesa to get on the market. But when she sends them to you, what are some ideas of what they can do to make their home more friendly for buyers?
When they're going to list, they want to clean all the windows because that lets the life force in. Number 2, anything that is down on the ground that doesn't need to be should be lifted up because if it's down, that's yin energy and you want it to be lifted. You want happy chi.
I love that. Thanks so much for teaching me a little bit. Marquesa, can you tell us where to find you both so people want to get in touch, they can?
Of course, my phone number is right here. Reach out to me. Also have my website, Colorado Hearthstone.